Hi you guys, this is Isabelle, the never-ending busy mom. If you've seen my other videos, you're probably saying, girl, are you like ever going to change your clothes? This is a pajama top, and this is the last video that I'm filming today. It is Friday, December 27th. I'm working in a little bit, so that's why I'm going kind of crazy on filming. And this time, as the title said, I am I've already unboxed everything, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from my Babebox. And I have to admit, it's not my favorite, but I still love this box, and I'm subscribing now that I have a job and I can afford it. I am definitely sticking with them. I love their company, and this is, it says that total box value is, what is this? Oh, so that was a bonus. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, hang on, sorry. So yeah, the total box value is $107 US, which is always a little more in Canadian, because you guys know me. I'm a little Canadian girl. So I will show you. Okay, so we got, let's look here. So here is the Steve Laurent loose powder pigment. I have tried this. It is stunning. Stunning. It is in rose gold. Like, look at that. Can you see that shine? It is so beautiful. I mean, you can use it whichever way you want. Love this. It did come in its own box. It's just, I don't know where anything is anymore. Oh, there it is. Yeah, see, it came in this cute little box. Sorry, I have boxes and stuff all over the place. This is literally the last unboxing I'm doing for today, so I'm sorry. There's stuff everywhere. So the second product that I got in here is the Oriza Highlighting Shimmer Stick. Now, if you guys remember, I also got an Oriza Beauty lipstick in the shade Opus, and I wasn't too crazy about it, just because it smells very perfumey. And but I actually tried it, and it looks beautiful, and I have pictures of myself on Instagram. They're not the best pictures I've ever taken in my life, but I really like the lipstick. It's really pretty, and it does last quite a while. So when I saw that they had this in here, I thought, whoa, trying to run away from me. It does still have the same slight fragrance that I'm not a fan of, but this is actually quite pretty. Oh, maybe if I turn it on the proper side. Wow, I'm like messing up this nice whiteness. Yeah, it's an opaline flawless highlighter, and let's see, next to the Steve Laurent, maybe. So it does have a really nice shimmer. It's a nice creamy feeling. It doesn't feel tacky or anything. It's very beautiful. Be a nice blush top or two. So it is a little bit, I wouldn't say dark, just, you know, not quite highlighter for me. So, but I actually like it, and I'm staining it, so you know, that's great too. Okay, let's lift up the sleeves, have a sip of my coffee that's gotten cold. Yay. The next product I got was this. This is a Instant Radiance Concealer. Now, this is quite light, and I use it more as a cream highlighter in the darker spots, like where it's very, very purple around my eyes, or like, you know, like the laugh lines around the mouth. you know, places like this, and it really illuminates. I don't know if you can see. Nope. This is what I want you to focus on. Come on. Apparently we're not going to focus on my hand. Anyway, it lightens it and brightens that spot, and it's really, really good. It's not too greasy or anything like that, and it didn't cake. So I was actually very, very surprised. And I know we got another Model Co product last month from in the Babebox. It was a clear eyebrow gel, and my daughter Solange loves it. My oldest daughter, she absolutely loves it. So, and she wears it all the time. She stole it. Well, actually, I asked her if she wanted it because I already had one, and she said, oh yes, please. So, and it doesn't make her eyebrows all crusty, so she was very, very happy. And this, I could smell it the minute I opened it up. It is the Jericho Body Butter in pure lilac with Dead Sea minerals and cocoa seed butter for all skin types. I haven't opened it up, but I can, as you can see, the seal's still on, but like I can smell it through it, and it still has the same beautiful smell as the hand cream that I got in my first Babebox. And I'm thinking of keeping this on my desk for my hands because they do get dry when I'm working. So I love this, but I want to save it for when it's that time, when, you know, when I'm done the other one. And we did get the cutest little holographic plastic bag from as a gift. See, that's what it says. Make your selfie prep kit best friend. And it says selfie prep kit. It is so cute. I'm probably not gonna use it for, you know, much of anything except just as a cute little thing. You know, just something cute on my desk, on my home desk, not my work desk. But yeah, that is such a sweet gift though. So thank you so much, Babebox, and thank you guys for watching. Like I said, it's not my favorite box, but I am using, like I will be using this, and I'm definitely using this. This will be more for special occasions, like these two things, but I'm okay with that. And yeah, and I can't wait to see what next month brings, because most of the time, like last month, we use everything that came in the box. And I say we because both my daughters loved everything too. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. And maybe I prefer a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will have the link to the Babebox. As I've mentioned in other videos, if you haven't watched those, I have unsubscribed from the Look Fantastique box. I did film a whole video for it, but I really wasn't feeling it, like, at all. So I'm just scrapping that video. And I also unsubscribed from Glossy Box before I received the like the December box. You know what, it didn't excite me whatsoever, and it should. You know, like, you should be excited about getting your boxes. I'm always excited about receiving my Babebox, my Ipsy bag, and my BoxyCharm box. So you know what, I'm sticking with the Babebox, the Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus now that I've signed up for, and I've also signed up for the premium, the BoxyCharm Premium, which I'm on the waiting list, obviously. And yeah, so that's the kind of unboxings that you will see. If I find anything else that I would like to try, or if you have any suggestions, comment down below and give me suggestions on which other ones that I should try. You will be seeing a plan with me from the week before Christmas on here very soon. If it's not uploaded, I don't know when I'm going to upload this and edit it and everything, but you will see something planner wise. For this week, I'm waiting for kits because I literally have no Christmas kits, no nothing, and I have one coming sometime soon. So Yeah, so again, thank you so much, you guys. Love you all. Hope you had a very Merry Christmas if you're celebrating it, or whatever it is that you're celebrating. I hope that you at least had a chance to be with the ones you love. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.